Today I'm going to show you how to do the daily maintenance on the Roland TrueVIS LG 640, which is the UV printer. So it is very important that you do the maintenance every day on this model. So go to the control panel, hit the cleaning button, scroll down to manual cleaning and then execute, and then the print carriage is going to move from the right hand side over to the left hand side. And obviously not like I'm showing you, but you should wear eyewear and gloves just so in case you've got any irritation to the cleaning fluid. It's okay. And at this point the carriage will move to the far side. If you are doing your maintenance every day, it should only really take one cleaning swab dipped in cleaning fluid for each side. Although we're doing the video for you, it does actually give you a little like cartoon instruction on the screen that you can flick through, but once you've done it once or twice, you're going to know exactly what you need to do. So open the door, and the first thing is clean the wiper. I'll probably do that bit first because obviously that's the bit that really you do want to really keep on top of, because it's the only thing that should come into contact with the surface of the printheads. So give that a clean, and then you're cleaning round the rubber seal of the caps. So this model's set up for 2 whites, 2 gloss. And if you see any spillages anywhere else around the cap, just mop that up, just keep on top of it. And then the final one, if you do the cap for the CMYK element, and obviously this one's going to be dirty. Again, anywhere else if you've got any ink spills, just obviously keep it clean and keep on top of it. So that's that side done. Got this window. And then you really don't need a lot of cleaning fluid on this. You don't want it dripping everywhere. There's a little area in the printer where you can keep your swabs, and then it is just literally the framework of the printhead. You really, well, definitely should not be touching the surface of the head. That's the job of the wiper. That's head 1, head 2. And again, just give it a visual check, make sure if there's any splashed ink that you keep that clean as well. And then probably once a week, or maybe even once a couple of weeks, just get like an alcohol wipe and just keep the glass of your UV lamps clean as well, because they should obviously feel super smooth. And if they don't feel smooth, then there's ink attached to them, which is going to prevent your curing. So once you've done that, that lid can come up. Then you can just say finish all on the control panel. And then what will happen then is the printer head will come back, it'll do a soft clean and a wipe, and then you can just shut the printer down. And that's it.